Finally, we have conclusive leaks that reveal all the specs of the new GoPro HERO 13. If you've been following my previous videos, you already know that the HERO 13 is set to be a significant upgrade over the HERO 12. The anticipation has been building, and now, thanks to Eagle Quadrum News, we have a much clearer high-definition image of the GoPro HERO 13 box. This new leak not only confirms what we already suspected, but also introduces a surprise feature that wasn't clear in earlier leaks. We'll dive into that later in the video, but first, let's explore whether the HERO 13 is worth the upgrade. Overview of new features. The GoPro HERO 13 brings several important upgrades over its predecessor. These improvements make it a powerful tool for both casual users and professionals. The leaked image of the HERO 13 box gives us a detailed look at these new features, confirming that GoPro has made some significant enhancements. From better heat management to a more powerful battery, these upgrades aim to make the HERO 13 a standout in the action camera market. Heat management and battery. One of the most significant upgrades in the GoPro HERO 13 is the new heat sink on the front of the camera. This design change helps to dissipate more heat, allowing the camera to perform better during long recording sessions. Alongside this, the HERO 13 features a more powerful, upgraded battery. However, this new battery design means your older batteries will no longer be compatible. The redesign suggests that GoPro has focused heavily on heat management, ensuring that the camera can handle more demanding tasks without overheating. This new battery also hints at the possibility of more powerful features, which we'll discuss shortly. Design changes. The HERO 13 isn't just about internal upgrades, it also has a few design tweaks. One noticeable change is the redesign of the glass screen. On the opposite side of the lens and the heat sink, the glass portion now extends further down the front of the camera. This subtle change likely improves durability and possibly enhances the viewing experience. Additionally, the return of GPS to the GoPro HERO 13 is a big win for many users. GPS was removed with the HERO 12, reportedly due to heat management issues, but it's now back, as confirmed by Eagle Quadrum News. This makes the HERO 13 even more appealing for those who rely on GPS for their activities. Advanced features. Another exciting addition is the support for HLG HDR format, which aligns more with television standards. This feature will be particularly useful for those looking to produce high-quality video content. Moreover, the HERO 13 introduces support for a variety of new lenses. While you might not need every lens, having options like the anamorphic lens, which allows for a wider field of view and cinematic shots, adds a lot of versatility. GoPro is also introducing official ND filters, moving away from their previous partnership with Polar Pro. This includes a new macro lens for extreme close-ups and an ultra-wide lens, the Max Lens Mod 2.0, which looks similar to the previous version, but is slightly renamed. Special Burst Mode. One of the standout features in the HERO 13 is the new Special Burst Mode, allowing for recording at an impressive 400 frames per second. This feature will enable you to capture ultra-slow motion footage, although it's limited to 720 resolution. While the resolution may not be the best, it's a significant step forward in slow motion capabilities. This feature is perfect for capturing high-speed action and creating dramatic, slowed-down videos, which are popular on social media. Lens auto detection and stabilization. One of the more intriguing updates in the GoPro HERO 13 is the lens auto detection feature. This allows the camera to automatically recognize when different lenses are attached. This is especially useful when using ND filters, which can sometimes affect stabilization. With auto detection, the GoPro HERO 13 can adjust its algorithms to maintain smooth stabilization, even with filters on. This ensures that your footage remains steady and clear, no matter what accessories you are using. Mounting system enhancements. GoPro has also improved the mounting system with the HERO 13. The new design allows for quick disconnection of the camera, which is convenient for scenarios where a secure mount isn't required. However, GoPro's signature foldable fingers are still present, providing one of the most secure mounting systems available in action cameras. This robust design continues to set GoPro apart from competitors like DJI and Insta360, ensuring that your camera stays firmly in place during intense activities. New battery technology. On the back of the HERO 13 box, there's a confirmation that the new batteries are labeled as Enduro. These batteries are designed to perform better in extreme temperatures, both hot and cold. This is an important upgrade because batteries often struggle in harsh environments, leading to shorter usage times. The HERO 13's Enduro batteries aim to mitigate this issue, ensuring that you can capture footage in various conditions without worrying about battery performance. Returning features and why you should upgrade. The return of GPS in the HERO 13 is a relief for many users who missed this feature in HERO 12. While some argue that GPS wasn't widely used, those who did rely on it felt its absence. With GPS back in the Hero 13, this camera is once again fully equipped for users who need location tracking for their activities. So should you upgrade from the Hero 12? If you need GPS, want to use the new lenses, require better heat management, or are excited about the new burst mode, the Hero 13 is worth the upgrade. However, if these features aren't crucial to you, sticking with an older model like the Hero 11, which still includes GPS, might be a better option. DJI Action 5 comparison. Now let's briefly compare the GoPro Hero 13 with the DJI Action 5. From what we know, the Action 5 doesn't offer significant upgrades over the Action 4. The improvements seem minor, and there hasn't been much news about exciting new accessories. In contrast, the GoPro Hero 13 introduces several new features and enhancements, making it a more compelling option for those looking for a cutting-edge action camera this year. GoPro appears to be bringing more innovation to the table, which could make it the preferred choice for action enthusiasts. Rumors about the Ace Pro 2. Lastly, there are some rumors about the Ace Pro 2, but details are scarce. If you're considering waiting for the Ace Pro 2, you might want to be aware of some issues with the first iteration. For example, the battery and side doors were known to open too easily, which could be a concern, especially when using the camera in water. However, the original Ace Pro did offer superior low-light performance and a better app experience, making it a strong competitor. If the Ace Pro 2 can address these minor flaws, it could be a solid camera. But until more information is available, it remains just a rumor. In conclusion, the GoPro Hero 13 is shaping up to be a significant upgrade, with new features like GPS, lens auto detection, a robust mounting system, and the ability to capture super slow motion footage. If these features align with your needs, upgrading to the Hero 13 could be a wise choice. However, if you're satisfied with your current camera or don't find these new features essential, you might consider sticking with an older model or waiting to see what else comes to the market. Don't forget to check out the links below for the best prices on the new GoPro Hero 13. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.